Hey babes, what's good? I hope you're doing good because I'm actually doing great. In this vlog, babes, I will be showing you an inspired look that I actually came up with myself, which I call the butterfly. I am so obsessed with butterflies. I think they are the most beautiful things ever. I feel like in this moment, I am moving from my cocoon into my butterfly that I am manifesting to be. I am just in that moment right now. If you have not checked out my last vlog of my Halloween DIY, I would love for you babes to check that out. That was actually my first look. Today, this is my second look, and I cannot wait to see how it's actually going to turn out. So if you babes want to stay tuned, please stay tuned. So if you don't know, I am Zia Zebra. I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sword tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. I also want to say I appreciate those who is subbing your girl from across the world. Rep your city in the comments. Okay, babes, this is the leotard that I will be wearing for the butterfly costume. The sleeves are actually see-through, as you can see. And I actually got this leotard from AliExpress. And then my net tights. I also got these from AliExpress with the diamonds on them. And the earrings that I'm going to wear, which are the small butterfly earrings that hang down, and then a small butterfly nose ring, clip-on nose ring, and then also a little simple cute little diamond bracelet that I got to go with this, and also my beautiful butterfly wings that I copped from AliExpress, the platform boots that I also got from AliExpress that are like my favorite. So yeah, let's get into this look, babes. As you babes can see, it is actually a platinum synthetic blonde wig. It actually gets tangled a little bit, but like once you put like oil sheen in it, it doesn't be that bad. But yeah, this is actually probably like $20, $30 at the most, but it's really cute actually, and I can't wait to see how it turn out with my costume. I haven't worn platinum blonde or blonde like in a minute. I actually got so tired of blonde, like hated blonde. Like I just go to wearing dark brown. But babes, I have actually haven't done a costume with wings before, so this is my first time experiencing a costume with wings. In this vlog, I will not be going over the products that I'm really using or going step by step. If you would love to see a step-by-step makeup tutorial, you can check out my last video that I did, the everyday basic makeup. I normally really only do like celebrity costumes. That's really what I like kind of noticed. But this is like my first time actually doing a costume that I got inspired to do on my own. I think Kylie Jenner had a butterfly costume at some point in time, and I kind of seen like a pic on Pinterest of the butterfly costume that she had. Kind of resembles something like that with the onesie leotard with the butterfly wings. The only thing is I would be having net tights, net diamond tights. So yeah. And I'm so sorry for the lighting, babes. I know it's probably like a little dim in here, and which I do not know why, but I apologize. And my eyebrows is fresh. And I am not actually having the best day actually. Today, this morning started off pretty pretty rough. So I'm hoping this makeup look will actually uplift me because I am slowly, surely annoyed somewhat today. But I know this makeup look is going to put me in a better place, you know? This is the actual makeup palette that I am using. I've used this a couple of times, my Bratz makeup palette, but I haven't really used it that much. And what color I am going to be using is the pink. I have not done eyeshadow in a little hot minute, y'all. I've been like lazy. Only doing like eyelashes, no eyeshadow, nothing. Speaking of not wearing eyeshadow in a little hot minute, I really forgot to put these little sticky pad things on so my eyeliner can like turn out right. Cause I can't go without trying to put on eyeliner. Eyeshadow. I can't go trying to put on some eyeshadow without the damn. Kind of excited to throw some eyeshadow on. And what is crazy is I can actually do like an eyeliner cat shape with the eyeshadow, but I can't really do the cat shape with the eyeliner. Like, can't wait to see how this pink is going to settle on my eye. It's been a minute since I used this Bratz palette. Finally, like, I'm complete with my freaking eyeshadow. And I kind of wasted it everywhere. Mouth is dry. I'm debating if I really want to put on bottom lashes. I really don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and take these sticky side pads off. Y'all see that, babes? My eyeshadow is really not that bomb how I usually be. I got on these freaking nails and I feel like I can't even get it sharp enough, but yeah. Actually, the best I can do with these nails, and I'm about to put on my lashes. I really want to show y'all these lashes. I got these from Walmart and I think they are so cute. They like some little glittery diamond on the eyelashes, and I'm going to try them out. Eyelash glue is a no for me. Like, I have to use the hair glue. These lashes are really pretty. They like give that sparkle, and I am going to actually put on the 3D bottom lashes. I just know that this makeup look is, gonna brighten me up because things has been so scattered. I've been so like out of place. Like, my energy has been scattered as well. So I'm just like, ugh. And I barely got some left, y'all. But I'm gonna use the whole thing up though. It's really a little ghetto right now. Oof. I really like that cut crease look with the cheekbones as well. Like I love contour, so it's actually broke. Like so I can have that light pink on my cheek area and also my nose and a little bit of my forehead. I'm not using a dark lip this time. I'm actually using something bright, which is this cute pink. It smells so good. I am using my good straighteners, which are these, y'all know, but I got on like one real low. I normally have some straighteners that I use to iron down my synthetic hair, but they're actually at my grandmother's and I did not go get them, so I'm just gonna use the purple straighteners and just keep them on low. But you need a low vibrational heat for synthetic hair. Okay. I normally have like a bad habit of putting my hair in my mouth. Okay, babes, this is the after look. I really like it. Everything turned out so cute. Like the wings, like everything. The bottom, I'm really feeling this, and it's really giving me the song from Mariah, the Butterfly Reprise. I'm so excited. I love this look. I've lit up my whole little day because my little day was just her. Like I'm talking like a mess, a hot mess, okay? So this look really has brightened everything for me, just like how I imagined. Eyeshadow is a little bit darker of like the pink. It's like more of a hot pink. I wasn't able to find like the pastel pink like the wings are, but you know, it's still cute or whatever. But you get the idea. You know what I'm saying? You get the idea. One of my favorite looks, and I have to be careful, y'all. Like my little boob wanna like pop out of there. I ain't got that much boobs, but yeah, that's what's really going on. But I really hope you babes enjoyed this look, and I would love to hear your comments. You know, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You know, babes, you know you ain't gotta subscribe, but you know I would love for you to subscribe. Yeah, I am so obsessed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, babes. Mwah.